Hey guys, today I did around I don't count, around like 5 6 sets and something like that, and I was just like triggering myself just to release whatever like traumas that I have, and it worked out great. But there are like few things which I wanted to share about it today, and the thing is that when you like release a trauma, you feel the freedom in you. Like you feel that you can do anything. You can just like respond. You don't react. You just respond. Like for example, let's say for example you see a set or you see a girl, and then you wanna go talk to her. But what happens that you have this instinct that what she gonna tell, what people gonna see, something like that. And when you release that stuff, after that you just feel this. Yeah, actually, yeah. So yeah, let's get on video. Like, I just came out and like today, like I just did like 40 minutes. Then I went out for to eat something, and just to stay disciplined, it's kind of hard. And I just love myself that when I'm not disciplined, but it's kind of fucking hard. Like sometimes it's just like things that I have observed, and yeah. So then after I just went for shopping because I'm going to Thailand, and I wanted to have some new clothes just to have my look ready. And like I think I have around like 15 more than like I have more than like 300 shirts or something, but I just bought few things so that I can just match and just go for it. And yeah, about it. And what else? I think I'm gonna have like a quad set or something, and I'm just gonna wear that on my day out. But yeah, that's a side topic. So I just did like first set. Then I felt that she was not responding, and I was just feeling like I just had this response like like that. And it's like me judging myself that okay, it's I think me judging myself that why does she giving me like this responding? I'm just being nice, and I expect that, which is a good thing, but it is kind of bad thing also because it kind of fucks me up on my like it's not a reaction, like it's not a response, it's a reaction, you can say. But I just expect after every open that I need to have this kind of reaction, which is like not appropriate. Like I will not have it like every day, every time, every sex. And it kind of triggered me, like this kind of trigger, like I'm just sharing, like telling you, like we do it like easily. And like this is kind of this trigger habit, like it's a very it's very you can say minor, you can say, or which is hard to catch. Like you will like for example after a set you just like if they just blow off or just they just respond, then you just like be like like or something like that. Then I just do that like in solo. So just respond that why, like I'm just expecting something and it's not coming out, it's not fully freedom from outcome. And it kind of fucks me up because what happened, like after that I just feel like oh, why, like is it working? I just doubt myself a little bit, and that's not good. And I'm just recording the video and just saw the set. But yeah, let's fuck it. I mean, let's just call it a day off. And yeah, about that, I'm just gonna have it release. I'm just gonna work on that today. And what else was that? There was something else which I'm not getting it. It's like more than 4 minutes now. And what else I was saying? Yeah, this was also kind of like trigger or something like that. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. I'm just gonna end it now. I hope you like this video, and do like, share and subscribe. And I'm just gonna end with one hand. I'm not gonna say bye because I have lots of clothes in my other bag, like bag of clothes. And yeah, that's it. When I say bye and keep gaming. Like I just did around like 4-5 sets, and I was in one set for like more than 20-30 minutes. And like right now I'm not losing numbers or something like that because I just want to do like same day pool. Otherwise I'm not gonna, like I did try to lead, but it was not leadable. And I'm fine with it. I'm just not gonna have like number close or something like that. I'm just gonna do like same day before, and I know it's gonna take like some time, and I'm fine with it. I'm chill with it. But yeah, that's about it for this one, and I hope you like this. And like, share, and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.